Hello everyone. Today we are starting with the second chapter of algebra, real numbers. Now, if you remember, in the very first video when we started with 9th standard, in the basic lectures, we have done this, real numbers. Okay? So we studied about natural numbers initially, natural numbers, then whole numbers, integers, then what are rational and what are irrational numbers. Okay, so let us start with the basic again. See here, when we talk about natural numbers, okay, if we are talking about natural numbers, n is a set of natural numbers, and in that set we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 counting numbers. When we talk about w, set of whole numbers, where 0 is extra when you compare to natural numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, infinite. Okay. Talk about integers. I is a set of integers where it is infinite. Number 9s you all know. It's infinite, then -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, infinite. Okay. So it includes the integers, includes the natural number. Also they include the integers and all these negative numbers, okay, so which is presented on the number line. Q is a set of rational numbers. Now talking about rational numbers, all the fractions, all the numbers which can be written in the form of a fraction are what? Rational number, which is written in this form. Whenever we talk about rational number, it is P upon Q form, fraction form, where P and Q both are integers. P and Q both belongs to what? I means integers. मतलब न्यूमरेटर पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव हो सकता है, डिनोमिनेटर भी पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव हो सकता है. ओके, और न्यूमरेटर 0 चलेगा, बट डिनोमिनेटर शुड नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0. सो दैट इज रैशनल नंबर. ओके, so that's what I'm saying. When we talk about rational number, it is always written in the form P upon Q, fraction form, where numerator and denominator both are integers. Just make sure that the denominator should not be equal to 0. A fraction with denominator should not be 0. Okay. This though definitely R is what? R is for real number. Okay, for rational number we use the capital letter Q, and for real number we use the capital letter R. So R is a set of real numbers. Okay, all these numbers come under what? Real numbers. Okay, you can see this. Real numbers दो type के होते हैं, rational, irrational. A particular number can be either rational or it can be a irrational number. So rational number हमने देखा P upon Q form में होता है, where Q should not be 0. Okay, and whenever you divide, you will get the decimal form either terminating or non-terminating recurring. So we are going to study this in detail. Just wait. So that's what natural number is subset of whole numbers. उसका part है. See, whole number बड़ा है ना, whole number में एक number ज्यादा है, कौन सा? 0. तो ये छोटा set हो गया. तो n is subset of w. They both, W is subset of what? I. See, W, what is W? Whole numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is also there in integer. So W is subset of what? Integers, and integer is subset of Q. Q means rational number. See, one thing let me make very clear, that all these numbers are also rational numbers. Why? Because all these numbers can be converted into a fraction by dividing them with what? 1. If you talk about the number 2, if you talk about the number 2, 2 is the number 2. If you divide that with 1, okay, it gets converted into a fraction and the value does not change. 2 upon 1 is nothing but 2. Okay, similarly even 4, आपने 4 लिखा, if you want to convert this into a fraction, you can divide this with what? 1. उससे दो चीजें होते हैं, एक तो वो फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट हो गया, सेकेंड 4 upon 1 is still what? 4. So the value is not changing, but still it is getting converted into a fraction. That's why we say all these numbers are also what? Rational numbers. They are also rational numbers. So even all this, natural number, whole number, integer is subset of what? Rational numbers. Okay, and ultimately rational number is subset of what? Real numbers. Okay, so now see, taken examples. Let us take examples. 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5 fraction, so it's a rational number. If you divide 2 by 5, you will get 0.4. Okay, this is the ending. Khatam hota hai na? Then this is terminating. What is this? This is, we say this is terminating decimal form. Terminating decimal form. Second example, if I take 17 upon 36, if I divide 17 by 36, what I'll get? I'll get 0.47222 like this. 0.472222. As you can see here, this is non-terminating, खत्म नहीं होता, एंड नहीं होता ये. आप 17 को 36 से डिवाइड करोगे तो ये डेसिमल फॉर्म आएगा, where 2222 is infinite. So we say this is non-terminating. Non-terminating, at the same time the number 2 is repeated infinite numbers of times. So we say that this decimal form is non-terminating recurring form. Non-terminating recurring form. They both are fraction, but their decimal form here, for this fraction the decimal form is terminating, and for this fraction the decimal form is non-terminating recurring. They both are what? Rational numbers. After all, they are fractions, so they are rational numbers. किसी का fraction जो decimal form होता है वो terminating आता है, किसी का decimal form non-terminating recurring आता है. So ये दो type हो गया. Okay, they both are rational numbers. There are many such examples. Okay, now let us start with the first exercise. Okay, practice set 2.1. Now in practice set 2.1, the very first one, classify the decimal form of the given rational numbers into terminating and non-terminating recurring type. We have to classify them. Which of the fraction, their decimal form is terminating or non-terminating recurring. Terminating, this is terminating, खत्म होता है ना यहाँ पे, remainder 0 आ जाता है. Non-terminating recurring, this is non-terminating recurring. तो ये सब fraction में आपको बताना है कि कौन सा terminating है, कौन सा non-terminating recurring है. Okay, so practice set. Sum number 1. Okay, now there are two methods for this particular type. We have two methods. First of all, the very first sum is 13 upon 5. So simple way is what? Divide them. Divide 13 by what? 5. 13 को 5 से divide करो. 13 2s are 10. We are getting 3 over here. Put a decimal point. You can add 1 0 over there. Okay. Now 5 6 are 30. So remainder is coming what? 0. Okay. So as you can see here, 13 upon 5 ka decimal form is what? Decimal form 2.5. It's terminating. It is not going further. The remainder is what? 0. Therefore, the decimal form of the rational number 3 upon 5 is terminating. It is what? Terminating. 2.6. It is not going further. Okay, 2.6 khatam hota hai. Remainder is coming what? 0. So this is terminating. Okay. Second sum. 2 upon 11. Now let us divide this and see. Okay, definitely 2 is smaller number compared to what? 11. So you have to start with 0 point. 0 point will allow you to take 1 0 over here. Okay, now here 11 ones are 11. The difference between 20 and 11 is 9. Okay, now because of this point you can take one more 0 at each and every step. Okay, so 11 8s are 88. The difference over here from, suppose if I borrow from here, ये हो गया 8, ये है 10, 10 minus 8 2, 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay, so the difference is what? 2. Because of this point again you can take 0. So 11 ones are 11, we are getting 9 again. Okay, यहाँ पे 2 फिर से आया, सी 1 आया, अभी फिर से 8 आएगा. So it will be 1 8 1 8 1 8 infinite numbers of time. So therefore 2 upon 11, the decimal form of 2 upon 11 is 0.181818 dot dot dot. That is finally 0.18 dash. Okay, so the number 18 is repeated infinite numbers of times, so that's why we have to put this bar on 18. So therefore the decimal form of 2 upon 11 is non-terminating. Recurring type, non-terminating recurring type for this particular sum number 2. Take sum number 3 now. Third sum, 29 upon 16. 16 is the divisor and the quotient, the dividend is 29. Now in 29, only 116 can come, 16 ones are. If I take 16 twos are, 16 twos are is 32, which is more than 29. So I have to take ones are 16. Now subtract. From 9 if I minus 6, 3. From 2 if I minus 1, 1. Okay. Now to move further, we don't have anything over here, so we need 0 over here. So put a point and then you can take a 0. 130. 16 how much? Let's check. So let's check. Let's check for 16 sevens. Okay, we have to reach till here 130. 130 या तो 130 से छोटा होना चाहिए. Okay, so 6 sevens are 42, 7 ones are 7, 8 9 10 11. Okay, so 112. One more you can try. 16 eights are, so 6 eights are 48, 8 ones are 8, 9 10 11 12, 128. So 128, 16 eights are 128. The difference is what? 2. The difference, if you subtract, you will get what? 2. Now again, because of this point you can take 0 there. Okay, 16 ones are 16. This time you are getting 4 over there. Okay, the difference between 20 and 16 is 4. Point, you can take 0 over here. 16 I think 3s are 48, I think it is. 3 8s are 3 6 are 18, 3 1 is 48. So 16 2s are, 16 2s are is 32, and the difference between this is 8. 40 और 32 का difference कितना है? 8. Now point, you can take 1 0 here. 16 5s is finally what? 80, and the remainder is coming 0. Okay, so 29 upon 16 is equal to 1.8125. Okay, so therefore the decimal form of the rational number 29/16 is terminating type. It is terminating type. खत्म होता है, terminating type. Okay. The next one, sum number 4. It's 17/125. 17/125. Okay. It's 17/125. So let's divide. Inside 17, outside 125. Okay, so 17 is smaller than 125, so put 0 point and then you can take extra 0 over here. So 125 ones is 125. So the difference, let us calculate. From 7, 6 is remaining 10. 10 minus 5 is what? 5. This is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4 and 1 minus 1 is what? 0. Now point, you can take 1 0 here. Okay. Now 125, how much? 125 fours. Let's go for fours. 125 fours will give you 500. Okay. 5 fours are 20. 4 fives are 20. 4 twos are 8, 9, 10. So here 4 ones are 4, 5. It's 500, which is more than 450. So 125 threes are 3 fives are 15. 3 twos are 6 plus 1 7, 3 ones are 3, so it's 375. So subtract 375. How much? 125. 3 is 375. Now let's check the difference. What is the difference here? Difference आता है 750 का. Okay, I think so. If you subtract from here, you need to borrow. So this becomes 4. This is 10 minus 5 is 5. Then again you have to borrow from here. This becomes 3 and this is 1 4. 14 minus 7 is 7 and 3 minus 3 is nothing but 0. Okay, so it's coming 75. Now point, you can take 1 0 extra here. So 125 you can try 6 because 125 4 is what? 500. So you can try for 6. Let's see. 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15, 6 1s are 6 plus 1, 7. 750 is coming. Okay, see. 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 idhar aaya, 6 1s are 6, 7. So it is 6 750 and the difference is what? 0. Okay, so therefore 17/125, the decimal form is 0.136. Since the remainder is 0, so this is terminating type. Okay, so therefore the decimal form of the rational number 17/125 is terminating type. It is terminating type. Let us take the fifth sum now, the last one of this question number 1. 11/6. 6 is the divisor and 11 is the dividend. 6 divide करेगा इसलिए 6 बाहर रहेगा, याद रखो. 6 1s are 6. The difference is 5. Put a point, take a 0. 6, how much? 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48. The difference is what? 2. You can take 0 over here. 6 3s are 6 3s are 18. Difference is 2. Take a 0. 6 3s are 18 again. The difference is 2. So that means 11/6 is coming to the decimal form of 11/6 is 1.8333 ... That is 1.8. Which number is repeated? The number 3 is repeated infinite number of time. Only one number, so you have to put a dot over there. Okay, so only one number is repeated, so you have to put dot on that number. Okay, so it is recurring. It is non-terminating, recurring type. So therefore the decimal form of 11/6 is non-terminating, recurring form. Non-terminating, recurring form. Okay. Now the question number 2. Look at question number 2. Write the following rational number in decimal form. Just we have to convert this into what? Decimal form. जो हमने अभी किया वही करना है. In fact, ये जो last statement है, whether it is terminating or non-terminating, we don't have to write. We have to do only this much. You have to divide and write the final answer here. Okay? रैशनल नंबर को किस में कन्वर्ट करना है? डेसिमल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. ठीक है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वेरी फर्स्ट वन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का फर्स्ट सम, इट इज 127/200 अपॉन 200. ओके, सो लेट्स डिवाइड. 200 is the divisor and 127 is the dividend. Okay, now 127 is less than 200. नीचे का नंबर बाहर आएगा, always remember that. Okay, 127 is less than 200, so we have to start with 0 point. The moment you put 0 point, you can add 1 0 over here. Now 200 means 2 का table. 200 1s are 200, 2s are 400, 200 3s are 600, 200 4s are 800, like that. Okay, this is almost 1200, more than 1200. Okay, more than 1200. So 12 how much? 6. Okay, so 6 into 200 is 1200. Okay, because 207 will give you 1400, which is more than 1270. So we have to take 6. The difference is coming 70. Okay, now this point will always allow you to take one extra 0. So 200 3s are 600. The difference is 100. Now this point you can take 1 0 because of that point. Now 200 5s are 200 5s are is 1000. So the remainder is coming what? 0. So therefore 127/200, the decimal form of that is 0.635. That's it. Only this much we have to write. Okay, now sum number 2. It's 25/99. Okay, so 99 is the divisor, so 99 should come out, and inside we have 25. Now it's 99. Okay, less compared to 100, it is just less by 1. तो you can imagine 100 का टेबल, 99 टेबल लिखा है यहाँ पे, 99 का नंबर है, बट इमेजिन करने के टाइम 100 का टेबल इमेजिन करने का. ओके, नाउ 25 is less than 99, so start with 0 point. 0 point will, because of that you can take 1 0 extra over here. Now this is 250. This is, suppose this is 100. Think about it. Okay, 99 मत सोचो, आप सोचो कि ये 100 है और ये कितना है? Almost 200 and more than 200. ठीक है, but less than 300. So we have to take 2s. Okay, we have to take 2s. Now 2 into 99 is 198. Okay, so let's check the difference. The difference is 52. When you borrow from here, see, when you borrow from 5, you borrow 1. So 1 and 0, 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. From 4 we cannot minus 9, so again you have to borrow from here. 14 minus 9 will give you 5. 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So the number is 52. Now point, you can take 1 0 here. Okay, now this is 500, more than 500. So 99 5s. 99 5s. Think about 500 का टेबल सोचो, तो कितना? ये 500 और ये 100, तो 99 कितना? 5s. So 99 into 5. 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45 plus 4, 49. Okay, so it's 495. Okay, so the difference over here is 25. So we can borrow and we can check. Okay, 1, borrow from here 1, 10 minus 5 is 5. ठीक है. Now this is 1 over here. From that we cannot subtract 9, so borrow from here 4. This becomes 1 and 1, 11. 11 minus 9 is what? 2. It is 2, and 4 minus 4 is what? 0. So the number 25. Okay. So put 0 now. 250. Here already we had 250. So 250 how much? 99. 2s will give you 198. It's coming to 52. Same thing repeat हो रहा है. फिर 2 के बाद क्या आएगा? 5 आएगा. So recurring हो रहा है. So 25 upon 99. This is rational number. The decimal form of that is 0.2525 dot. That is finally 0. How many numbers are repeated? 25 25 25. So 25 लिखने का और उसके ऊपर डैश डालने का. Okay, इसको recurring form बोलते हैं. Got it everybody? Next, third one, it's 23 upon 7. 23 upon 7. So divide 23 divide with what? 7. So 7 3s are 21. Difference is 2. Put a point, take a 0. 7 2s are 14. The difference is what? 6. Take 0. 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. What is the difference? The difference is 4. Okay. Now put a point. We can take 0 over here. 7 7 7 7 5s are 35. Difference is 5. Take a 0. 7 7s are 49. The difference is 1. Take 0. 7 1s are 7. Difference is 3. Take 0 extra. 7 4 7s are 28. 28. How much? Difference is 2. Put 0 over here. 7 2s are 14. Further, how much it is coming? 6. So 6 you can put 0 and 7. See here. After this, if you put 0 over here, 0 डाला तो 7 8s are 56. ये देखो यहाँ पे रिपीट हो रहा है. 2 के बाद 8 आ रहा है तो यहाँ पे भी 2 के बाद 8 आएगा, फिर 5 आएगा, फिर 7, फिर 1, फिर 4. Okay. So what you can do here, you can write therefore 23 upon 7. The decimal form is 3.28571 और फिर 2 से फिर से कंटिन्यू होगा, फिर से 2 आएगा. 2 8 5 7 1 4. So ये पूरा सेट ऑफ नंबर रिपीट हो रहा है तो सब पे ऊपर डैश आएगा, बार आएगा. ओके. So this is the answer. Now sum number 4 and sum number 5, they are very easy sums, so you can do this 2 sums for your homework. Okay, ये 2 sum homework के लिए करो. Now I'm starting with the third question. Write the following rational number in P upon Q form. See, for the first time ever, we have done this in the lower standard. In 7th, 8th standard, we have divided, we have seen the terminating and non-terminating form. But this one we are doing for the first time. डेसिमल फॉर्म को फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है. मतलब ये इससे हम लोग क्या लाएंगे? फ्रैक्शन. ये जो नंबर है इससे हम लोग फ्रैक्शन रैशनल नंबर लाएंगे. ओके. डेसिमल फॉर्म को किस में कन्वर्ट करना है? फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में करना है. विच फॉर्म? P upon Q फॉर्म मीन्स फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म. एंड द वेरी फर्स्ट सम इज 0.6 dot. 6 dot means it is recurring. This dot indicates that 6 is repeated infinite numbers of times. 6 6 6 6 6 6 like that. Okay. So let us convert. Let us start with the first sum. Focus everybody. This concept is important and new for you all. Okay. Sum number 1, question number 3, sum number 1, 0.6 dot. Now concentrate on the first sum. It's not compulsory that you may understand the first sum. समझ में भी आ सकता है. तो कभी कभी अगर कोई कंफ्यूजन है तो आप सेकेंड सम, थर्ड सम, एटलीस्ट 3 सम्स तो लगेंगे टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस मेथड properly. Okay, so have some patience and just concentrate on the very first sum. Okay, and now solution. सबसे पहला क्या करने का? वेरी फर्स्ट लेट x is equal to 0.6 dot. Compulsory in all the sums you have to very first whatever the rational number is, this is rational number but in decimal form, whatever the rational numbers is, let it be what? Equal to x. Let it be equal to x. Now what? Now what you have to do, can you see this point, the decimal point here? Point के बाद कितना नंबर आता है? एक नंबर आता है 6. ओके, या ऑफ कोर्स आई नो इट इज 66666. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग दैट वे. मतलब नंबर दिख रहा है सिर्फ एक ही, वो है 6. ओके, नंबर 6. एक ही नंबर आया, सो मल्टीप्लाई बोथ साइड विथ 10. ओके, पॉइंट के बाद अगर सपोज 6 7 है, 6 7 6 7 6 7 6 7, तो कितने नंबर्स हो गए? 6 7, दो डिफरेंट नंबर हो गए. सो मल्टीप्लाई विथ 100. ओके, right now after decimal point we have only one number, that is 6. So multiply 10 on both sides, compulsory. So multiplying 10 on both sides we get. Okay, so let's multiply on both sides. This is left hand side, this is right hand side. On left hand side is what? X. Multiply x with 10, it becomes 10x. Okay. Now on right hand side we have 0.6 dot. Now .6 dot. Now see what to do here. If I multiply 0.6 dot with 10, what will happen? एक्चुअली 0.6 डॉट होता क्या है? 0.6 डॉट का मतलब होता है 6 6 6 6 रिकरिंग इनफाइनाइट नंबर्स ऑफ 6. तो क्या होता है, इफ आई मल्टीप्लाई दिस विथ 10, तो इसमें से जो एक 6 है ना, वो जम करके आगे आ जाता है. ठीक है. इफ आई मल्टीप्लाई विथ 100, तो दो नंबर्स 6 6 दो नंबर्स आगे आ जाएंगे. बट हियर ओनली वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई विथ 10. एज आई टोल्ड यू, देयर इज ओनली वन नंबर आफ्टर पॉइंट. ओके, सो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई विथ 10. सो 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करने से क्या होता है, ये 6 यहां से जम करके पॉइंट के पहले हो जाएगा. तो ये पहले हो जाएगा 6 डॉट. तो देखो पहले क्या था, इधर 0, अभी एक 6 इधर आ गया. व्हाट अबाउट द अदर 6? दे विल कंटिन्यू लाइक दिस. They will continue. Okay, and finally this thing we can write 6.66666 means 6 dot. Okay, so after multiplying with 10 ये result आता है. Okay, right hand side where there is 0.6 dot, if you multiply this with 10 you will get 6.6 dot. याद रखो ये बात. Okay, 10 से multiply करने से क्या होता है, बहुत सारे 6 है, उसमें से एक 6 जम करके आगे आ जाता है 10 से multiply करने से. Okay, so this is the resulting number after multiplying with 10. Next what? Next we are going to subtract. Subtract what? Subtract this left hand side with left hand side, right hand side with right hand side. Make sure that you write 10 first. So 10x minus this x. So here also you have to write this first. 6.6 dot minus this right hand side. 0.6 dot. Okay, so compulsory you have to do. That's what I told you all. Get used to this method. Get used to this method. पहला क्या करना है, फिर बाद में क्या करना है, मल्टीप्लाइंग बोथ साइड विद 10 करना है, रिजल्टिंग नंबर फिर क्या करना है, दोनों को सबट्रैक्ट करना है. हर एक सम में ये प्रोसीजर को फॉलो करना है. ओके, सो नाउ लेट अस सबट्रैक्ट. 10x minus 1x will give you 9x. Okay, 10x minus 9x, 10x minus 1x. This is the x means 1x. कितना आता है? 9x. What about this one? See, when you're subtracting numbers, decimal numbers, you know, decimal form वाले number को subtract करते हो, make sure that point, the decimal point is one below the other. Now write the number 6, here 6 dot, here 0, 6 dot. Subtract them. This is same, 6 dot, 6 dot, so they get cancelled. So forget about them. 6 minus 0 will give you what? 6. So ultimately we have 6 over here. Okay. Now to get the value for x, I have to take 9 on this side. 9 ka relation with x is what? Multiplication. If I take on this side, it get divided. Okay. Now if cancellation is possible, you need to cancel. If it is not possible, don't cancel. You see, both the numbers are going in 3 ka table. So 3 2s are, this is 3 3s are. So finally x is equal to what? 2 upon 3. ओके, सो x का वैल्यू लाना हमारा काम नहीं है, हमको किसका वैल्यू लाना था, हमको 0.6 डॉट को किस में कन्वर्ट करना है, कौन से फॉर्म में, p अपॉन q फॉर्म में. सो दैट शुड बी योर फाइनल स्टेटमेंट. ओके, नाउ सी what is x? x is nothing but 0.6 dot and finally the x का वैल्यू is what, 2 upon 3. तो ये दोनों x है तो दोनों इक्वल ही हो गया ना, सेम ही हो गया ना. 0.6 dot is nothing but 2 upon 3. ओके, x का काम खत्म हो गया. x स्टार्टिंग में किसको इक्वल था, 0.6 डॉट को. एंडिंग में x किसको इक्वल हो गया, 2 अपॉन 3 को. इसका मतलब है 0.6 डॉट इज नथिंग बट 2 अपॉन 3. सी दिस डेसिमल वाला नंबर इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू व्हाट, p अपॉन q फॉर्म, मींस फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म. ओके, सो दिस इज द प्रोसीजर. ओके, चलो कुछ समझ में नहीं आया इसके अंदर, कोई बात नहीं, हम लोग सेकेंड सम करते हैं टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस बेटर. ओके, ये मेथड को थोड़ा और अच्छी तरह से करने के लिए सेकेंड सम करते हैं हम लोग. एटलीस्ट 3 sums आर रिक्वायर्ड टू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग. ओके, सो नाउ solution. As I told you, very first what we are going to do, whichever number is given, rational number, this is rational number in decimal form, let it be equal to what, x. So you can write x is equal to 0.37 dash. Okay, now it's time to multiply something on both the side, either 10, 100, 1000. चलो देखते हैं कौन सा नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करना है दोनों साइड. इधर ध्यान से देखो, after decimal point, before decimal point doesn't matter whatever it is, but after decimal point we have two numbers over here, 3 7. 3 7 दो है तो 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करने का. इसके पहले क्या था, पॉइंट के बाद एक नंबर, कौन सा, 6, सो 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करने का. दिस टाइम आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट वी हैव टू नंबर्स, 3 7, दो नंबर है तो मल्टीप्लाई विथ 100 ऑन बोथ साइड्स. Okay, so let's multiply 100. Left hand side is x. If you multiply 100 with x, it becomes 100x. What about this number now? देखो फिर से एक्सप्लेन करता हूं मैं आपको. The number is 0.37 dash. Okay, means actually इसको लिखना है तो ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, 37 37 37 37 डॉट डॉट डॉट, इनफाइनाइट नंबर्स ऑफ 37 आफ्टर डेसिमल पॉइंट. ठीक है, Now if I multiply with 100, what will happen? 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करने से क्या होता है, one set of 37 will come in front, आगे आ जाएगा. ओके, 100 से किया ना तो दो नंबर आगे आ जाएंगे. कौन से दो नंबर, 37 पॉइंट के आगे आ गया. ठीक है, देखो पॉइंट इधर है, पॉइंट है इधर, तो 37 will come in front और बाकी सब 37 कंटिन्यू हो जाएंगे ऐसे, 37 37 डॉट डॉट डॉट. ओके, विच कैन बी फाइनली रिटन एज व्हाट, 37 डॉट, इधर 37 37 37 है ना तो इधर डैश कर दो. ओके, सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस. सो फाइनली इफ आई मल्टीप्लाई दिस राइट हैंड साइड विच इज 0.37 डैश विथ 100, सो इसमें बहुत सारे 37 है, उसमें से एक 37 पॉइंट के आगे आ जाएगा. समझा, ये देखो ये ग्रुप में बहुत सारे, सोचो कि ये बहुत सारा इसमें सेट है 37 37 का, एक सेट ऑफ 37 आगे आ गया और बाकी सब 37 पीछे कंटिन्यू रहते हैं, वो अपने जगह पे ही है. ये ग्रुप में से बहुत सारे 37 में से एक 37 आगे आ गया. वाई आगे क्यों आ गया, बिकॉज वी हैव मल्टीप्लाइड दिस नंबर विथ व्हाट, 100. ओके, नाउ इफ यू रिमेंबर व्हाट वी हैव टू डू नेक्स्ट. नाउ इधर 10 10 से किया था, अभी क्या करने का, सब्ट्रैक्ट करने का. सब्ट्रैक्ट व्हाट, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड विथ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, राइट हैंड साइड विथ राइट हैंड साइड. लेट्स सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम 100x, दिस इज बिगर नंबर, माइनस x. Here 37.37 dash, subtract from that 0.37 dash. Right side with right hand side subtract करना है, left hand side with left hand side subtract करना है. Okay, so now this is going to be 100 minus 1, this is 1x, will give you 99x. What about this? See, it's 37.37 dash, from that we have to subtract 0.37 dash. डेसिमल के नंबर्स जब भी आप ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हो, मेक श्योर दैट पॉइंट शुड बी वन बिलो दी अदर. फोकस ऑन दिस, बिकॉज एवरीबडी मेक मिस्टेक इन दिस इन दिस पार्ट, इन दिस कैलकुलेशन. सो 37 डैश कैंसिल हो गया, छोड़ दो उसको. 37 माइनस 0 विल गिव यू 37. ओके, So we are getting 37. Sorry, now this is not 37. This is now 37. पॉइंट के बाद 37 एक टाइम पे एक ही नंबर बोलने का. ओके, दिस इज 37.373737. So therefore x is equal to 37 upon 99. Okay, multiplication becomes division. And finally x का आंसर आ गया. x स्टार्टिंग में क्या था? x स्टार्टिंग में था 0.37 dash. It is equal to what? 37 upon 99. Okay, this should be your final answer, not this. सबको लगता है x का वैल्यू आ गया तो आंसर खत्म हो गया. नहीं, हम लोग को x का वैल्यू नहीं चाहिए. ये जो डेसिमल फॉर्म में नंबर है उसको फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो यू नीड टू से दैट 0.37 dash is actually equal to what? फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करो 37 upon 99. ओके, x दोनों को मिलाता है. ठीक है, याद रखो ये बात. नाउ द नेक्स्ट और एक सम देखते हैं. थर्ड सम स्टार्ट करते हैं. Third sum, we have 37, sorry, it's not 37, it is 3.17 dash. 3.17 dash. Okay, solution. So as we know, very first, let x is equal to, try to recollect क्या क्या स्टेप था, सब recollect करो. x is equal to सबसे पहला ये. Second क्या देखना है? We have to multiply with something. What is that now? We have to multiply with what? Let's check. पॉइंट के बाद चेक करो. पॉइंट के बाद, नॉट बिफोर द पॉइंट. तो पॉइंट के पहले का मैं बंद करता हूं. पॉइंट के बाद कितना नंबर है? 1 है, 7 है, 2 है ना, तो मल्टीप्लाई विथ 100. ओके, 1 7, सो मल्टीप्लाइंग विथ 100. 2 नंबर है. पॉइंट के पहले डजंट मैटर वेदर इट इज 0 3 1 7 वट एवर इट इज. पॉइंट के बाद देखने का 1 7, 2 है, so multiply with 100. This is not 17. I know 17 is one number. No, this is not 17. This is 1 7. पॉइंट के बाद एक एक काउंट करने का. 1 7 हमेशा, ऑलवेज. मल्टीप्लाइंग 100 on both sides, we get. Okay, so multiply this with 100 on both sides. So 100 into x, 100x. What about this one? अभी आप डायरेक्ट कर सकते हो. 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करने से क्या होता है? ये बहुत सारे 3 7 है, सॉरी 1 7 है. 1 7 1 7 1 7, उसमें से एक सेट ऑफ 1 7 आगे आ जाएगा. किधर आगे आ जाएगा? तो ऑलरेडी 3 वॉज देयर. 3 तो पहले से था आगे. उसमें से अगर 100 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 1 7 भी आगे आ जाता है. और पॉइंट बाकी सब पीछे 1 7 कंटिन्यू होता है. ओके, 1 7 1 7 1 7. आई विल शो यू हियर. द नंबर इज 3.17 dash. So it is actually 3.171717 dot dot dot. Okay, infinite numbers of 1 7. If I multiply this with 100, what happened? One set of 3 7 will come in front. Okay, point के आगे आ जाएगा. So 3 is already there. So 1 7 आगे आ गया. Point बाकी सब 1 7 1 7 पीछे कंटिन्यू होते हैं. Okay, and finally we can write this as 317 point. This is 171717, which can be written as 17 dash. This way. Okay, अब डायरेक्ट करो. नो नीड टू कैलकुलेट लाइक दिस. ओके, 100 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. सोचो बहुत सारे 1 7 है. 100 से किया तो एक 1 7 आगे आ जाता है. ओके, नाउ सबट्रैक्ट. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज व्हाट? सबट्रैक्ट. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड विद लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. 100x minus x. Here also right hand side. First write this number 3.17 dash. ठीक है. Now 100 minus 1 is 99x. What about this? How to subtract this? चलो आराम से करते हैं इसको. ध्यान से, take your time and do it. आराम से करो इसको. 317.17 dash. Point should be one below the other when you are subtracting. इधर 3 आएगा, इधर 17 dash आएगा. ठीक है, right? Now subtract this. 1717 dash cancel. Now what about this one? From 75 minus 3, I'll get 4 1 3. Means it is 314. 314. Now take 99 on this side. It is 314 upon 99. So finally, what I have to write, the final statement should be this rational number which is in decimal form is converted into a fraction form like this. Okay, क्योंकि x कितना है? 3.17 dash और x ये भी है 314 upon 99. So दोनों equal हो गए. Okay, now let's take the fourth sum. 15.89 dash. Okay, इसको भी एक काम करो. Okay, do one thing, pause the video and do this sum on your own. Do this sum on your own. Once you finish with the sum, then you can restart the video. आप start करो, उसको play करो और check करो कि whether you all have done properly or not. Okay, so I'll do this sum. आप pause करो और start करो. Start now. ओके चलो अभी आपने सही किया है कि नहीं, राइट किया है कि नहीं, चेक करते हैं. ओके सो मैं फटाफट करता हूं, आप सिर्फ देखो, चेक करो आपने सही किया है कि नहीं. वेरी फर्स्ट, लेट दिस नंबर बी इक्वल टू एक्स. नाउ बिफोर पॉइंट उसको छुपा लो. पॉइंट के बाद कितने नंबर है? 8 9. पॉइंट के बाद 8 9 दो है तो मल्टीप्लाई विद 100. So 100 into x, 100x, and if I multiply this number with 100, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे 8 9 8 9 8 9 है. 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करने से एक one set of 8 9 will come in front, and the other 8 9 they will be same, like 8 9 dash. ये बहुत सारा ग्रुप ऑफ 8 9 है, उसमें से एक आगे आ गया. ठीक है, अभी दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. 100x minus x, here we have this 1589.89, sorry, it is 1589, and this is 89 dash. Okay, from that we have to subtract this 15.89 dash. Okay, left hand side with left hand side, right hand side with right hand side. So this becomes 99x. And what about this one? This one, what you have to do, see, 1589.89 dash, point should be over here, 1589 dash. Subtract karo, chalo, this cancel. From 9 if I minus 5, 4. From 8 if I minus 1, 7, 1. So it is 1574. So x is equal to 1574 divided with 99. And the final statement is what? That this rational number, which is in decimal form, is converted into a fraction form. 99. Okay, so this was the sum. I hope you all have done right. Okay, so let us proceed further now. Let us take the last sum. Okay, sum number 5. In the fifth sum, it is 2.514 dash. 2.514 dash. Okay, so as always, let x is equal to 2.514 dash. Okay, now we have to multiply with something. Now after point, how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 5 1 4. 1 2 3 3 है तो 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करने का, उतना ही जीरो बढ़ते जाएंगे. यहाँ पे 4 नंबर्स होंगे तो 10,000 से मल्टीप्लाई करने का. ओके, यह 3 नंबर्स आर देयर, सो मल्टीप्लाई 1000 on both sides. We get 1000 into x, 1000x. Here if I multiply with 1000, what will happen? Already we have 2 over here, पहले से 2 पॉइंट के पहले है, तो 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करने से ये one set of 514 will come in front and the remaining 514 will continue behind. Okay, so 1000 से किया तो 3 नंबर्स आगे आते हैं, 100 से किया तो 2 नंबर्स आगे आ जाएंगे, 10 से किया तो 1 नंबर आगे आ जाएगा. हमको कितने नंबर्स आगे लाने हैं? 3 नंबर्स आगे लाने हैं. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव मल्टीप्लाई विद 1000. सो 3 नंबर, पहले से 2 था, 514 एक सेट आगे आ गया और बाकी सब 514 डैश कंटिन्यू हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, नाउ सब्ट्रैक्ट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड विद लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. 1000x minus x. Here right hand side is what? 2514.514 dash. From that minus 2.514 dash. Okay, now 1000 minus 1 is 999x. Okay, now subtract this one. Now subtracting this number, it is 2514.514 dash. Point should be one below the other while subtracting. यहाँ पे कितना है? 2. Now subtract. This cancel. From 4 if I minus 2, 2 आएगा, ये 152. So it is equal to 2512. Okay, so x is equal to 2512 upon 999. Okay, so therefore 2.514 dash is equal to 2512 upon 999. Okay, so this is the answer. So this exercise is over. Practice set 2.1 is over. Okay.